A small beach resort in the southwest of the island, PEGUERA sits on the coast near Antraci. It offers idyllic blue flag beaches, along with a good selection of hotels and restaurants, catering for a full range of budgets. Many of the hotels are located on the hillside above the beach, which means it might not be the most attractive choice for those with mobility problems. In the summer, there is a lovely bustling atmosphere, but many of the hotels and restaurants are seasonal, which means PEGUERA is a quiet place in the winter. The few visitors that do descend on the town in the winter will experience a completely different side of the town. In the summer months, PEGUERA is favored among German families as a beach holiday destination and is often referred to as Little Germany, although the resort still receives a wholesome influx of British visitors throughout the year. The resort consists of 3 beaches. Playa Palmira Beach is the main stretch, but Playa Tora Beach and Playa Romana Beach are equally attractive, and they have all been connected by the promenade. There are areas set up for sunbeds and parasols, as well as stretches for a DEI experience. Being within a sheltered bay, the sea is calm and inviting. The promenade sits behind the beach. Here you will find refreshments and any summer essential you might need. Just outside PEGUERA is Cala Fornes, a pretty resort consisting of terracotta houses set around a pretty cove. The biggest event PEGUERA hosts is the Challenge PEGUERA Mallorca, a middle-distance triathlon. It usually takes place in October and provides the perfect end-of-season heat-out for European athletes. Due to its situation on the southwest coast of Mallorca, PEGUERA offers something for everyone throughout the year. In the summer, it is a prime summer beach holiday destination, and during the winter months, it is popular with both hikers and bikers. In the summer months, there are various boat trips departing from PEGUERA, exploring the southwestern coastline of Mallorca, including glass-bottomed boats, dolphin watching, sunset boat cruises, and more. All kinds of water sports are available in PEGUERA, including thrill-seeking activities like water skiing and banana boats, through to more leisurely activities like windsurfing, pedal boats, and diving. The surrounding countryside is very beautiful if you want to explore something other than the beach whilst on holiday. There is a popular network of coastal hiking routes found at the back of the resort. PEGUERA is the starting point for a well-known hike to the mountain village of Cabdea, where you can enjoy some of Mallorca's captivating countryside. There are a couple of tennis clubs around the town, offering a range of services and facilities, whether you require tennis coaching or just want to book a court for a friendly game. El Boulevard is the road behind the promenade and is the main shopping street in PEGUERA. As a tourist resort, there are plenty of convenience stores, beachwear and souvenir shops here. On top of this, PEGUERA is renowned for its quality leather shops. In fact, many of the island's residents will travel to PEGUERA to buy shoes. If you want to experience a traditional Spanish market, we would highly recommend a visit to the market held down the road in Antraci on Wednesdays between 8 and 2 p.m. If you come by car, it takes around 30 minutes to get to PEGUERA from the airport. The A11 is a direct bus traveling between the airport and PEGUERA, and runs almost every hour.
Y luego he visto que no estaba.